selling StopTech brake kit. Comes included with stainless steel brake lines for the front and the rear. Also includes the rotors. These rotors online, if you go on eBay or Amazon, these things are about $100 a piece. Got a whole set of 4 here. Down below, you can see everything there. Everything's all brand new. Has posi quiet. These are brand new calipers. The brake pads are already in there. You see that right there. Got a whole set of 4. Got 4 of those. If you buy this, I will throw in some wheel spacers. These are for Honda, Acura, 90s era. So yeah, you can save quite a bit of money by buying all this at this high discount. This stuff individually is worth a lot more than what I'm charging.